Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting edition of Cooking Experience with Nolicious Foods. Always delicious. Today we're going to be making mashed potatoes. For the ingredients, we have butter, milk, and potatoes. We're going to start by peeling our potato. So our potato have been peeled and chopped. So wash that. Put in the saucepan or pot, whichever one. So after peeling our potato, wash them, put them in the saucepan or pot. Add water, let the water rise above your potato. Allow it to boil for 25 minutes until the potato becomes soft. We'll place the lid on it and allow it to boil, and we'll come back to it. So we're going to check our potatoes. As you can see, it's soft. Either turn it into a sieve or you drain the water directly from the pot. And drain the water. Now that's our potato. So you can use masher or you use hand mixer. So I'm going to use masher. Butter. Or any spread of your choice. Milk is optional. You can add milk or you can do without milk. So our mashed potato is ready. As you can see, there are no lumps. Depending on how soft or hard you want your potato to be, you can add more milk or butter. we're going to scoop it out. So, our mashed potatoes ready. Mashed potato. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Nolicious Foods. Like, share, and comment. See you next time. Bye.